Good morning, Beshies! It's another busy day in the life of a PLM student. Kaya sama kayo sa akin ha? Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, check muna natin ang group chat. Baka kasi ni-cancel ng klase. Sana all!
Commuter car. Ito na naman tayo sa Pedro Hill Station, bestie. Buti na lang may beep card, isang tap, pasok agad. Pero kapag insufficient balance, ouch, lakad na lang. So always reload, guys.
Meron na ba, guys?
Wait, pag meron na guys, pasend naman.
Time check. Class na on MS Teams. Mom, mahina po wifi. Classic excuse, pero legit. Dito talaga umiikot ang buhay ACADS natin ngayon. From lectures to group chats, Teams is life. Kahit minsan, vlog is real.
Ito paano gagawin dito?
Research time! Alam niyo na, group project na naman. Good thing may Google Docs. Sabay-sabay kaming nag-edit kahit magkakalayo. Sino tong naglagay ng meme sa footnotes? Guys, focus! Deadline na!
Stop na.
Ang harot niyo.
Uy! A day in the life of a hardcore. Lunch station!
Lunch break! Gina sa Jollibee. Pero di na ako pipila, bes. Self-order kiosk is the key. Swipe lang. Then boom! Order received na. Ang galing, 'di ba? Pero sana all may load sa GCash. Kasi next scene, charan!
Wait, kailangan ko ng load. Wait, may Gcash ka?
Cashless queen using GCash today. Need ko ng pang-load. So QR code scan na lang. Tapos, bayad na. Quick and instant. Ang dali. Pero guys, tipid-tipid din pag may time. G na lang to sa essentials.
And that's a wrap mga besh! From beef card to Teams, from docs to GCash, kita nyo naman, buhay estudyante sa PLM is powered by tech. Pero tandaan, kahit digital na ang mundo, friends, foods, at pahinga pa rin ang tunay na life hack. Till next time, PLMers!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Charot! See you next vlog! PLM represent!